Welcome back. It's time for another build, and it's been a while, so we're going to jump back into it with a pretty easy one. We've got a super deformed Saizo. So at my local hobby shop, saw this one. I like the super deforms. I love master grade super deforms. So if you can get a hold of those are one of my favorites. But I figured this would be quick and easy, so we'll jump into it. So we'll do this like we usually do. I'll unbox it, time-lapse it out, show it off at the end, and then I'll finish up talking about it. So with that, let's get it out of the box. Okay, so let's take a look at this guy. I like the box here has some nice, I like the shurikens, looks pretty cool. Okay, so some of our stickers. I know with the super deforms, a lot of times they use the stickers for color separation. So instead of having a blue part or a gray part or whatever, you'll have just a bunch of the same color parts, and they'll use the decals as a way to color. Oh, I like the lots of clear stuff here. And of course, the super deformed instructions are usually very straightforward. I mean, really, that's 3 pages of instructions and some really cool artwork. I like this. A little comic on it. Okay. Yeah, so 3 pages. Should be quick and easy. Let's get to it. Okay, let's take a look at it. All right, let's talk about this guy real quick. So, super deformed, right? They're simple, they're quick. This really probably took me an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours tops. I did break the head, okay? When I had a hold of it, putting some decals on either side here, I pushed in on a piece and it just snapped right off. Luckily, the way it fits together, it kind of sandwiched back in there just fine, but it did happen. So be aware of that. The decals on this one are not very sticky. I was surprised. It took quite a bit to get them to stick and stay. And a lot of the decals, kind of true to like the SD world, right, where the decals add a lot more to it. They don't do a lot of different color parts. They kind of let the decals be the colors. So a lot of these decals have some really kind of crazy wraparounds where it takes a little bit to get them in the right spot and get them laid down just the way you want them. So from a build perspective, that's a little complicated, really. Otherwise, it went together well, fast. I mean, it's what, 4 or 5 runners, little runners. Like I said, hour and a half, 2 hours tops, and the fit and finish on it is good. I mean, it's definitely nice and solid. There's no loose parts on him, but of course, being an SD, there's not a lot of articulation or movement, right? I mean, the legs move a little, the arms move a little, the head, the waist. It's like it's all just kind of a little bit, but that's typical of an SD, right? Overall, I mean, it's a fun kit. It's a great little model. I love the look. I love the shurikens. Very cool looking. So of course you come to me and ask. I'm gonna say, yeah, if you like SDs, grab it. Okay, they had it at the hobby store for like $12, I think. So quick pickup, cheap, easy to build. Doesn't get much better than that. As always, I appreciate the comments and thanks for watching.